Before I begin the measurement, I check whether the correct measuring location is activated. This is shown at the top of the display. To start the measurement, I proceed as follows. I select the measurement type I need in the Measurements menu. Now the zeroing phase starts. Now I come to the fuels. A list is stored with fuels depending on the country version, and other fuels can be configured on a customer-specific basis. I select the fuel natural gas. Now we need to wait another 10 seconds until zeroing is finished. Now I start the measurement. The readings can be saved in the measurement folder selected, both during the measurement and also at the end. I stop the measurement here. The measurement data can be printed out if required. Use either the Testo Bluetooth printer or, as in this case, the Testo infrared printer. Press to print out the readings. Make sure that the Testo 340 is in the direct line of sight of the infrared printer.